Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with J Dolls UK, Joni's Doll Photography, and Dory's Dollies, I am doing a frog collab. And what we're doing is red, white, and blue, and a top hat. I have to be really careful because we're on the deck, and if I drop these, they're gone. That's why I'm holding on to the frog to show you the first part of this video, so that if it all goes south, well, it went south. I made him just the vest, and he was gonna Donald Duck, Winnie the Pooh, who else goes with just a vest? Someone else. Donald Duck, Mickey Mouse, and Winnie the Pooh-it. But I decided to make him some little trunks, and they turned out so cute that I really liked them, and I thought, no, we're using them. Is that a fish jumping or a frog over there, Darren?
I don't know. All I hear is your big polar bear.
Oh, the polar bear is behind us. That's our dog. So let me show you him with his top hat as carefully as I can. We made two sizes. If this falls, it's gone, and the wind's blowing.
And
oh! This worked really well in the house. It's not down here, so I'm just going to hold it. We were going to use that putty stuff, but I don't want it to get down in these little ridges. I love the texture of the 3D printed items. And we also made him this top hat, which I think is adorable. And it does sit on the head. But like I said, out here on the deck by the pond, probably not a good idea to let go. Let me show you him standing up. Before I stand him up, I do want to show him off a little bit more. I love these eyes. All this is strung except for the hands. I used wire on the fingers this time. And Darren 3D printed this little frog. It's a free pattern on Thingiverse if you want one. We cannot sell these. I wish we could, but they would be very expensive. This is a long, it takes a long time to print one even this small. The bigger frogs that I have, Fritz and Frida, take days, literally. I made this little vest. I got out my porcelain doll outfits and made it from that. And I wasn't going, usually for Fritz, I make these reversible so that there's something underneath. This one I had made just to try it out. It worked. I threw on a couple buttons and thought, yeah, I like it. The little shorts I used, what did I use? Did I use a Barbie? Oh, I went to Chelly Woods and used I think it was the Chelsea pattern, and tweaked it a little bit and made him those shorts.
okay. I thought you were talking, so.
Can I get a top hat?
Mm-hmm.
Darren printed this adorable lily pad. It took 26 hours. And the little paddles that he has in his hands. There's actually two, but we couldn't get it to set up like a kayak like we were thinking.
Rowboat.
Yeah, rowboat. But here comes Rennie. So don't knock my frog over. It's a warm day. This is what our dog does while we're down here filming. What a farm dog. Dart is out floating on his pineapple, having a good time. Bunch of little frogs jumped from the sides as we walked up. Wish we would have had that on film.
With the polar bear. You won't be laughing when she comes and jumps on you.
I know it. There's a polar bear in the water. Be sure to go by Dory's Dollies, J Dolls UK, and Joni's Doll Photography and see their frogs today. I can't wait to go see them. This was a fun collab. I love these little frogs. And thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the little fun we had down at our pond. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.